This morning, new concerns about faulty coronavirus test results. The FDA revealing Tuesday that one of the most widely used tests could be giving invalid or false negative results. The administration also warning that the tests produced by Thermo Fisher Scientific are vulnerable to false negatives if the samples aren't properly processed.
The trouble is there are areas of the country, several, that are actually in community spread.
It comes as states grapple with how to stop the virus from spreading.
You go in, people get infected, boom, they close them down.
In New York City, people coming in from states on the travel advisory list must sign a quarantine form at hotels and short-term rentals before they're issued keys. Hawaii is now postponing tourism until October 1st after seeing COVID cases spike despite strict quarantining measures. Schools across the country are struggling with how to move forward, too. Iowa State finding 175 cases in its first week after testing students moving into residence halls.
Students my age don't really take it seriously or as seriously as it needs to be taken.
The University of Alabama announcing fans will be able to watch football games in person, despite students warning that social distancing is already being ignored by their classmates.
I drove by and saw one of the bars have a line outside, and they weren't following the 50% capacity rule.
And at Notre Dame, students are under 2 weeks of new restrictions after finding 89 new cases on Monday alone. Most of those infections now trace back to off-campus parties.
We can't have these large parties because of the level of asymptomatic spread.
Off-campus parties also to blame for a cluster at the University of Tennessee and North Carolina State. 14% of North Carolina's total cases are now among people aged between 18 and 24. But today, one party is stunning most of the world. Thousands gathering in Wuhan, China, ground zero of the virus. The city hosting a massive concert and pool party over the weekend, just months after the virus ravaged the city. Back in the States, an outbreak in Maine has been linked to one wedding reception earlier this month. The CDC saying 24 people tested positive out of the 65 people who attended. Will, Mona.
Megan, thank you.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.